Ever heard the word exquisite and wondered what it really means? Let's dive in. Exquisite describes something that is exceptionally beautiful or of very high quality. When it comes to food, exquisite takes it up a notch. Imagine a dish that not only looks stunning, but also tastes amazing. That's what we call exquisite food. It's not just about the flavor, it's about the art and craftsmanship involved. From the elegant presentation to the perfect blend of flavors, exquisite food delights all your senses. So next time you hear exquisite used for food, you'll know it means a truly remarkable culinary experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content.